Hey, what's up everyone? Alan here with Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for tuning back in. So today we're taking a look at the Western Digital Easystore drive. This is an 8 terabyte. That's pretty big, right? It sells for about $130, and this is a Best Buy exclusive. Now, I don't remember seeing on the site offhand how fast the drive is. My guess it's a 5400 RPM, which is plenty fine for backing up photos, things like that. Now, this is USB 3.0, comes with the cable, power supply, all that fun stuff. Now, I really do like the Western Digital products. I have a lot of their smaller external drives, but I wanted something big that I can back everything up. Has a 2-year limited warranty. That's great. And then it also comes with some the WD Discovery software for backup and drive utilities. Works with Windows 10, Windows 8.1, also has an NTFS driver for read and write on Mac OS. So right now, let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in the box. All right, there's probably not that much, honestly, in this box here, besides just some cables and the drive itself. So here is the drive. Now I can tell you right now, I have an older Western Digital, probably about 10 years, maybe more than that. And honestly, this looks like the exact same case. So this is pretty perfect for what I need. And it has the little, the SS USB there on the back, as well as your power. No other connectors on this one. Probably has a little light that lights up. Great thing about this is you can just plop it right on the desk just like that. Just stand straight up. You don't have to worry. Also in the box here, get that out of the way so you don't have to look at that, right? Also in the box, we have our standard power supply that comes with it, which is great. And we have a little getting started guide, so if you need any help, as well as the USB cable. So you got all the USB 3 stuff that you're gonna need to get going there. Plug that into the computer, right into the back of the drive. You're gonna be ready to rock. So again, this is 8 terabytes. Now, when I was looking online, a lot of the 6 terabytes and even some of the 4s were even, right at this price. Now, they may have been 7,200 RPM. I will put this in the description what the speed is and some more of the specs, but that's crazy. 8 terabytes for $130, Best Buy exclusive. Check it out. I'm gonna set it up, but there you have it. So that's what's in the box of the Easystore 8 terabyte hard drive. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do, and I'll see you guys real soon.